Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have OMG Network daily update. We are going to see the targets right there after this major crash that it had. And where are we going? We are going to see two charts, OMG against Bitcoin and OMG against USDT. This was a very significant crash, and this was one of the reasons you should be taking quickly profits and you should be not greedy. But anyway, let's see what happened with OMG against Bitcoin at the first time. Okay. So what we are going to do is we are going to draw a Fibonacci retracement from this top right there, ending up to this bottom we formed back on 27 October. If I zoom in right here and put a price label on, but you can see that we found rejection. We couldn't close above the 0.618, this green line right here. This is our golden ratio. And then it was the first bearish flag right there that we found rejection. Then we had another swing high, and then we dropped down. The reason we dropped down is because we had a very high risk with the commodity channel index, the stochastic RSI, Fisher transform as well, and OMG against Bitcoin was not ready to get even higher. You can see we had a very much high trend-based actually impulsive wave on the 4-hour frame, a very quick impulsive wave to the top, and that was the reason that OMG didn't have this healthy pump up. Okay, because if we have a healthy pump up, it should feel like Avalanche, for example, or something like that, or Solana, for example. But right now we had a quick pump up to the upwards, and you can see that from there we corrected, found rejection on the 0.618, then we had another crash, and now we are more bearish even from the 27th September. Okay. So right now, where are we going? What are the next price targets? What are the next support levels for OMG against Bitcoin chart? Okay, because we want to see that. And you could identify one more thing with drawing the trend-based Fibonacci extension. You can see that if you draw the trend-based Fibonacci extension from this bottom up to this top around there we go, and up to this bottom right here. Okay, so you can see that we were on the 0.382 Fibonacci extension level and we couldn't close above exactly at the 0.382, and then we found rejection, got back in again. Okay, so anyway, what you should be doing, what are the next price targets for OMG? I will tell you right now against Bitcoin and where you should be rebuying. Of course, this is not for laughs. Okay, we might be getting there, that I am telling you right now. Okay, so for me, the first buying entry that we might be doing is that you should be buying around this area. Okay, this is the 0.301620, 0.301725. all right, so therefore you can see that we had a bearish candlestick minus 25%. This was not a crash that we should be saying that okay, it doesn't matter, leave it or hold it. It is a very significant crash right there. 25% just 4 hours is very strong, and you can see that we can go even further down. We will be having from now on the higher low pattern. What this means is that we are getting a swing high, then we are going low. We are getting a swing high, then we are going low till we find maybe a support level and get a significant swing high. Okay. But right now, if you see a swing high, a little bit of a minor swing high, do not fall into the trap that this is a great buying re-entry, and I want to protect you. Okay, I want to protect you. I do not want to be the guy right there that will tell you, okay, get in right now, yes, buy the dip now, it is now the time. Okay, it is not now the time. You can see the RSI is not even below the 30, and of course on the daily frame, if we go to OMG against Bitcoin chart, you can see that everything is has dropped, and we had also for OMG against Bitcoin on the daily frame a very high risk above the 70 on 4 November. Okay, so right now we will be seeing for sure 20-day MA crossing down the 50-day MA. We are going to the price analysis for OMG USDT, and this is what you care about. Okay, so what did we have right here? What did we correct? Okay, because if you draw the fib from this top to this bottom, you will see that we had a little bit of a resistance level right here. The first target was the 19.6. okay, and that's why you should be taking profits. I think that we talked about this in the previous videos, that we had this as a target. Okay, so on the first target, always take profits, and if it goes to the second, it is fine. Do not worry, you haven't lost anything. When you take profits, you have only to win. But right now, I hope that you didn't buy OMG around here, because if you have bought OMG around here, you could be in a significant loss. However, what is the wisest thing to do? Is the wisest thing to sell at a minus 35% loss? No. Okay, what you should be doing is taking profits from somewhere else or adding USDT to your wallet and rebuying the bottom. Okay, and what I mean by that is that I think OMG will be first meeting the support level right here and after the next one. Okay, so what we are going to have is the first support level 11.2, but I think the best one is to wait maybe to get to 10.4. Is this a troll right there that I'm telling you? No, but I think that we are going from now. As for OMG against Bitcoin, we are going to have a higher low pattern. This means that we are going down eventually with some minor swing highs in between, because you know the cryptocurrency market cannot go always down forever. We have swing highs and swing lows. It is not only the crypto market, it is the stock market and everything else. But anyway, we will be having lower highs and lower lows. That is not something you should be panicking or I want you to panic with, but at the end we need to be safe and we need to be secure that we will find probably the bottom or around the bottom on the 4-hour frame. Okay, on the daily frame you can see that we were down from the 50-day MA for the first time after this bullish cross, and you can see that OMG couldn't go up forever. Okay, we had a very quick pump up for OMG and very nice huge growth, 500% around there, 6x above. Okay, so right now you can see that we are going down for now. This bearish candlestick means that you shouldn't be stepping in till we figure out we have a little bit of a sideways candlestick pattern right here, or we have stopped the swing high, the swing low, or we have on the daily frame a pretty low risk on the commodity channel index, for example, or on the RSI. It is better to wait right now for the RSI because you can see that right there we were on an impulsive wave mode, but right now you want to let it go down, you want to let it go below the 30, so you can wait for that as well. If you've bought around the top, if you haven't got into OMG, please do not get in right now. Okay, we are going to be watching these levels right here, these price support levels for possible rebuying entries, but as I talked about before, we might be getting further down, but this 10.4 is a very strong support level, and the 11.2 as well. You can see that why we had resistance level right here, and right here we couldn't close above. So yes, it is a very strong support level, especially the 10.4. What I would do is to wait till the 10.4 and then I would choose again. And the best buying entry, but I do not think that we will be getting there, but of course if we were about to get there, would be the 8 Tether USD. Okay, the 8 Tether USD would be one of the best buying entries right there for me, but anyway you should be having the 10.4, the 11.2, and let's say the 9.5, but I will do a daily update again for possible rebuying entries. And before we close the video, join the monthly subscription, buy me a coffee/mindyourcrypto. You will be able to trade 200 altcoins with buying and selling opportunities through an automated system. You will make easy profits and you will learn technical analysis through educational videos and many more benefits. I have the link in the description and in the comment section. Buy me a coffee/mindyourcrypto. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.